Hello, in this video we will see how the new automatic registration integration on SendApp works. Now, going to the second icon from the top, next to the Optimize button, the automatic registration button has been added. By clicking on automatic registration, we will find two fields to fill out. The keyword that the customer will need to write to enter their number, their contact in the new address book of new subscribers, and then in this case, the text of the automatic response, which indicates that the subscription to our advertising campaigns is successful. This will be a message that we will automatically send to the customer to notify them of their successful addition to the address book. Now, once this is done, let's go to Click to Chat. Now, in Click to Chat, we have obviously entered a new hypothetical phone number, the international prefix above, and the message. Now we need to utilize that keyword. Why? Because that keyword will be needed to automatically add the customer. So the message will be, "Hello, I would like to subscribe to receive information and the use of my personal data, exempt from GDPR." Having done this, let's create a new link. This link should be inserted in email campaigns or in SMS messages or in Instagram threads. In general, any platform that allows for, let's say, message exchange between us and the customer. So this link will allow the customer to automatically access WhatsApp from their phone or WhatsApp web from a computer, and this message that we see on the overlay, "Save the sites to subscribe to receive information," will be automatically filled in. The customer will only need to press send, and the message will be sent in our chat. Once this is done, what happens is that in response, since the keyword we entered is subscribe, our message will arrive stating that the subscription to our advertising campaigns has been successful, and a new address book of new contacts will be created, where we will gradually see the phone number, the field in case we have also added a tag. And this allows us to create a new address book completely automatically without having to combine it manually when we have new contacts to insert into the address books of our advertising campaigns.